Those are nice.
They're good until you ride on them for 12 hours.
Like on the trip?
I wish it wasn't too bad. It's just they don't have like lumbar as much.
Yeah, they don't. I feel like I'm all the way.
After a while, you like feel it
for a long ride, yeah.
But it's not horrible. I mean, I can do it. It's just not. It's not as comfortable as a Hellcat.
Well, I have couches in my car, so here. All right, so we're in the Generation 3 Mustang Performance Pack 2 manual 373s Corsas nice. With stock headers sound good.
Yeah,
when you go all the way Corsas, that's just super loud. So warm it up a bit and have some fun.
sorry, no one should handle.
Huh? Yeah,
no one should handle.
Second gear or third gear?
Second. I
forget you
second the entire way.
I forget you can rev so high. With the 373s you will have to, but I forget this engine revs a little higher. Oh, I guess the gear ratio too.
Yep.
It's not like the 50 to 70. You have to shift like right away. Nice.
Tires are good.
Wait. So you're not even in the clutch at all?
No. Just second gear all the way. Perfect size for this gear. Yeah, I must have 72.
That's still good. You still got a couple there. Oh, nice. About this is since it stays in second the whole time, I'm not constantly using the clutch, so that's easy for a lot of people. They can take their foot off the clutch, but I gotta keep my foot on the clutch, so my stump is up, my knees bent, my prosthetic. It's a little bit uncomfortable, and I feel it moving around. So, but we shall see. I miss Mustangs, how you can rev them. Christina's car, when I was driving it, the SS1LE, it was pretty good. I was revving it all the way a little bit past 6,000 and had room to mess with it. sound is good. The Corsas is just, whew. I miss Corsas. So yeah, we'll give it.
That was fun.
Yeah. Big difference from my car. Big difference. Yeah, because I have, like, that has the dampening. That's just for, like, you know, a little bit of stiffness here or there. This is adjustable, constant.
Adjustable. And then if you change it on different modes, like, I don't know if you noticed, but at the start we did normal, and it's a little bit more lenient. When you go to Sport Plus or Race, it gets a lot stiffer.
Oh, that's right. I was thinking traction control. You didn't touch traction control.
No,
you were messing with the modes.
Right.
Okay. So you started in sport or normal?
Just normal.
Normal.
It's
still like on normal. It's
thing
still,
about
like,
it though
good.
is that I have such a wide tire in the back now, 325s, that I can get on it and it doesn't slide, so the traction never kicks in and kills the power.
Yeah.
But I do remember with the EcoBoost, if I lost traction for a little bit, it would just die.
It would kill, yeah.
This one does too, but like I said, with such a big tire, it doesn't happen as much. And when you do go to like sport or race, it'll actually relax it a lot. So you never really need it fully off unless you're like going for a time, and really for the takeoff more than anything.
Yeah, because as soon as you spin a little bit, it'll shut down.
Yeah. But this is fluid enough when we're going in it. Like I said, I rode second from like 2000 to like 7 the entire way.
Second gear the whole time.
Yeah.
Second gear.
Gen 3.
Rev high. Nice.
Good stuff, man. That was fun.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you, Jorge.
The right way.
This is awesome. This is awesome.